Whoa.
Nah, nah, nah.
Whoa. 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 We up to 40 on the opposite. And we
So we're jumping straight in. So I'm going to be using these Rider jeans. And yes, they're $4 from the thrift store featuring Bobby. Okay, so I marked where my knees are and where I'm going to cut out my knees or the ribs in my knees. And I start there, and then just to kind of give like the effect that I wanted, I'm doing like really skinny slits, but I'm going all the way to the thick stitch. I don't even know what this part is called in pants. Please let me know in the comments. I don't know why I don't know right now, but yeah, so I'm doing that all the way to the end just so I can get the look that I'm looking for, because I kind of want it to be big, but I know in the washing machine that it'll fringe it enough to where I want it to still be like stringy a little bit where the thread's coming out, and you'll be able to see the white thread without having to use like the tweezer method, because I just didn't want to do all that. So once I'm done cutting everything how I want it to look, make it look a little distressed, I'm going to throw it in the washer and the dryer. And pretty much like all you really want to do is spin and then quick little rinse and then throw it in the dryer to get like the fringe look. So this is how it looks after it's been in the dryer. It looks exactly how I want it to look. And now I'm going to cut the end of the pants off. And this is just so I can fold it over and then hem them, because I didn't want them to be as long as they were. I wanted the lace that I'll be using to be the part that's the long part of the pants, if that makes sense. So I'm just cutting off like an inch. And this, like, if you want to actually measure it, definitely be my guest. I was just winging it. So, but this is what it looks like when I'm folding it over to technically like hem the jeans, but also attach the fabric. And I'll also show you the fabric that I'm using, and also this is the setting that I'll be using on my Singer. So pretty much, I don't know if you have a sewing machine, you can definitely hand stitch this, but I decided to stitch it myself with my sewing machine because I didn't feel like hand stitching anything. So if you don't know how to use a sewing machine, this is definitely possible to hand stitch. But yeah, so I showed you guys the settings, and pretty much I'm just like going through this, and I actually like how fast this process was. Of course, like, I'm somewhat lazy. I'm always doing, not lazy, but I'm always doing a whole bunch of things at once, but it was pretty fast, especially because I didn't know you can slide pants like the other. I didn't realize that the other part of my sewing machine could come off, so I was like, oh great, I don't have to like cut the pants and then sew them back together. So it was perfect. And I like this stitch setting that I use because you can see like the white above the stitch. So I thought that was kind of cool when you flip them inside out. But yeah, it's pretty much a self kind of explanatory video, but I did want to show you guys what I was doing. I do wish that I would have started on the like side of the pants, just because when I backstitch you'll see it, and I'll mention it again when I try the pants on. But yes. So this is how they came out. I think it came out really cute, and I feel like I want to make some for my mom because I feel like she'll like them as well. This is how the pants came out. They're so cute, featuring Bobby. I do wish, like I said, I would have started on this part of the pants. Therefore, I could have got rid of like the extra part where I kind of backstitched. When I zoom in, you see right there, yeah. So, but that's the only thing that I do wish that I would have did. But other than that, I mean, for my first time, sis, super cute. Yeah, and I don't think I should add any more rips or anything. But hopefully you all enjoyed this video, and I will be featuring more videos like this as well. I'm back on my DIY. I'm back on everything. I'm back on my bullshit. But yes, super cute. Oh, let me show you what they look like from the back. But yes, so cute.